I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins with the opening market minute for Thursday, May 8th. Soybeans are up in the early going, looking a little bit oversold and due for a bounce after the recent decline, with at least a little bit of help from a higher move in soybean oil this morning. There also might be some new optimism ahead of trade negotiations this weekend between the United States and China. Not a lot's expected to happen in this initial round of talks, but any progress would be seen as favorable by the trade. Corn is mixed, mostly lower. Now there is more planting delay in rain in parts of the Midwest and Plains over the next couple of days. But after that, most of the region is expected to see a turn to generally warmer, drier weather, and some areas could even wrap up planting very soon in the near future. And wheat's lower with the recent improvement in USDA crop condition ratings and more rain falling in parts of the southern U.S. plains. And while U.S. prices have declined quite a bit recently, new crop export sales were down on the week, maybe a little bit disappointing vis-a-vis trade expectations ahead of the weekly numbers. We did see unknown destinations in Mexico buying U.S. corn this morning, while Pakistan picked up new crop U.S. soybeans. Live and feeder cattle are higher, supported by yesterday's higher close in box beef, waiting for the rest of the week's direct cash cattle business. Still haven't really seen any appreciable business yet on the dress basis in the north. The live sales we have seen this week have generally been between 218 and 220 in Texas and Kansas. And hogs are down with the ongoing questions about domestic and export demand. Pork closed weak yesterday, and China has not bought any U.S. pork in 5 weeks. With the opening market minute for Thursday, May 8th, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins. Stay tuned for this afternoon's update.